Hey you guys, so today's video is so exciting, not only because this is the first day in my life I've ever uploaded 2 videos to YouTube in a day, but hey, we're here, but also because I am announcing my very first makeup collab. I cannot believe this is happening. I have known about this for a little over a month and planning for it and preparing for it and trying to keep my mouth shut about it and freaking out behind the scenes because I feel so lucky, so blessed, so excited. There are no words. And before I go any further, I just want to thank every single one of you, especially those of you who've been riding with me for a long time. There are some of you who've been watching me since I started. I know your names, I know your faces. I'm talking to you, and I'm talking to those of you who started following me 2 years ago, a year ago, 3 days ago, whoever it is, however long you've been here. I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate it so much because it is because of your support that I have been given the opportunity that I've been given. And I just can't say thank you enough. So now that I've done all that, I want to talk quickly about what I am sharing with you today. I'm trying to calm down because I don't want to be annoying in this video, but I'm so excited, and I am a very physical person when I'm excited, so bear with me. A little bit of a history, you guys. A couple of years ago, I went through a no-buy phase where I didn't buy any makeup for an entire year. And the very first makeup purchase that I made at the end of that no-buy was a lipstick collab by Mel Thompson, who is a beautiful, fascinating, gorgeous, stunning, like if you need makeup reviews, that's who you go to, girl. Mel Thompson did a collab with a beauty brand called Christian Audette, and I had to show love, so I picked it up and I wore her collab. The lipstick is called Beauty. Oh, it's beautiful. I wore that for like a year. You can go through the grid, you can go through my videos at around that time, in every single video, that's what I'm wearing because it's just a beautiful color, beautiful formula. So basically what happened, I guess, is that because I tagged Christian Audette, the brand, in so many pictures with this lipstick, they took notice of your girl and they reached out to me about a month and a half ago and asked how I would feel about collaborating with them on my very own Whitney Hedrick's favorite lipstick collection, which was difficult to do because they did ask me to only bring it down to 3 colors. I am going to tell you all the other colors I like as well, just so y'all know. But the ones that are in my collab, I will explain to you why I picked these, and then I'll throw in the other ones I really like in case you just want to know what else is good with Christian Audette. So anyway, I wanted to introduce what I'm humbly calling the high maintenance capsule collection. This really merges both of my kind of spiels on YouTube so far. For those of you who don't know, like I said, I went through a period of time where I did a lot of content surrounding no buys and stuff like that. And what I did within, oh my gosh, I have an itch right here. I'm so sorry. One of the things that I did in that series was talk about how to kind of curate a capsule collection. And a capsule collection is exactly what it sounds like. You're just going kind of like a capsule wardrobe. It is a collection of products that you rotate in and out seasonally, because most of us change our makeup seasonally anyway, and 9 times out of 10 you probably already have lots of stuff to take you through the seasons, but you need to kind of condense it almost into your own personal makeup collection. Like when you think about collections that companies launch every season, you kind of want to create your very own with color stories and textures that are going to work great for the season. So that was my whole spiel with that. I will leave some of my capsule videos down below. And then also, most of you guys know, the High Maintenance Energy series is what has grown my channel a ton this year. Again, thank you to everyone who's been a part of it. So I wanted to kind of merge these concepts together and bring you guys what I'm calling, again, the High Maintenance Capsule Collection. Now, in this collection, we have 3 lipsticks. And the reason I picked these was I wanted you guys to be able to pick this up and ostensibly have maybe all the lipstick you need to kind of get through the year. I truly think every woman really only needs a nude or a neutral, a red. Red is my favorite lipstick to wear. I haven't worn it much this year because I'm trying to shake it up, but if I had it my way, I would wear a red lip and a black blazer and piles of gold jewelry every day. That is my vibe. So there's definitely a red, and then for fall and for moodier vibes, we have a deep color as well. So you can mix these colors together, like literally create more colors with them, wear them on their own. Either way, you are going to be covered with these babies right here. I'm just so So let's first talk about the color I'm wearing today and the one I'm most excited about, and that is the color Madam CEO, which is a true, like, balanced red. I don't feel like it pulls too warm or too cool. Either way, I think it's right there in the middle, which makes me believe that it's going to look good on anyone who which I feel that way about red lipstick in general. I have seen so many women get in my comment section and tell me all the time how much they love my red lipstick. They love red lips, but they don't think it would look good on them. They can't pull it off. Girl, you can and you should. It will make you sit up a little taller. It'll let these people know who they are dealing with. Like, red lipstick is a vibe. It is a whole mood, all day, every day. And this one, I think you guys will really, really love, no matter how much experience you have with red lips. Not to mention, Christian Audette's lipstick formula in and of itself is very, 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 very nice. So again, Madam CEO, if I had to say the High Maintenance Energy series had a signature color, it's going to be red, and it's going to be red lipstick. Side note, do you guys want to hear the sweetest story of life? 2 years ago, when my mother was passing away, a lot of my followers created a hashtag called Red Lips for Whitney, where they all posted pictures wearing red lipstick to kind of show support for me and what I was going through. I screenshotted all of you guys, and when I'm feeling really sad, I go through that as a folder on my phone to look at and remember how cared about I am. It's very, very humbling that so many people would go out of their way to do that. And that is part of why I wanted to go with a red lipstick in this collection, because I kind of think it's my signature. And also I just wanted to tell that incredibly touching story, because every time I think about it, it still gets me a little teared up. Next, let's get into nude lips. Every girl needs a good nude. I picked this one very specifically for many reasons. It's called Where's My Limo? And I have been wearing it nonstop. This is a little bit darker of a nude for me typically, but I've been loving it. And that's kind of why I wanted to go with it, because I wanted to put this collection together in a way that all my followers could use it and benefit from it. If I went with something too light, that obviously wouldn't work on everyone. This works on me when I'm pale or when I'm tan. And because I self-tan, I'm always changing kind of depth of color on my skin. It goes through a phase. I've worn this through every phase, from the palest I get to the tannest I get, and it looks good no matter what. It's that kind of nude that just brings life and depth to the mouth. It makes your teeth look really white, like it's because it's a good nude color. It's a true kind of more browny nude with a tiny bit of mauve, like a tiny bit of mauve, which is another kind of note or an undertone in lipstick I gravitate to. I truly think anyone who tried this would like it, and it's dark enough that if you think it's just a hair too dark for you, you can lighten it up with lip gloss. I love nude lips like that, because nude lips, if you go too light, you really can't use them any other way but the way that they come straight out of the tube to make them flatter on your skin. But if you pick like darker nudes, you can really manipulate them. You can make them look lighter or darker with lip liners and lip glosses. So that's why I picked this one. And the last one I had to pick, because we're coming into fall. Another reason why I picked this. Nude for every single day. We all have a nude moment. Red for the holidays. That's coming up. And this one, because it's finna be spooky season. Finna be fall time. You guys, I've been decorating my house since August. I am ready. This is burnt cinnamon. I cannot say the word cinnamon. My daughter laughs at me every time. I don't know why I've chose this one for this reason alone. Cinnamon. Burnt cinnamon. It always comes out cinnamon when I say it. Anyway, this is burnt. You know the drill. This is a gorgeous, vampy, like, I already can see this with like just the bold lip and like a really fresh skin with just lashes in the fall and in the winter is so high fashion and beautiful. Again, I think if you're a lipstick lover, if you're someone who kind of wants a small collection to curate and do a lot with, this is an awesome addition to it, because you can take this in so many different ways. But for the most part, like I said, I like the kind of clean skin, almost like old Hollywood, but with this instead of red. And then of course you can go the grunge route, you can go kind of the e-girl route. There's tons of looks you can create with a lipstick like this. And again, the goal is to be able to mix and match and blend these together any way you want to get as many different lipsticks and lipstick looks out of this 3-pack that you can. So this is my little lipstick collection with Christian Audette. These are my favorites. These are some of my favorites. Let me tell you a few more of my favorites really quick in case these are not necessarily calling for you. I don't want y'all to miss out on some other great options they have. So these are the other ones from Christian Audette that I love the most. This is Beauty, the one that started it all. Mel Thompson did such a good job on this nude. It is stunning. I think, again, would look good on literally everyone. It's got pigmentation, but I think it's just sheer enough that it could work, especially when you start pairing it with different lip liners and stuff like that. I think, again, almost anyone could love that one. And then the other two I've talked about in a favorites video before, but this is the Gigi Good collection. We have the color Good and the color Blood, except they both end in E, so I never know if I'm supposed to say good and blood. I don't know. But Good is another nude. I think that because Christian Audette's formula is so good, you guys don't even understand. Their nudes are superior. They're like buttery, but they're not that, you know how you can get like too glossy or too satin even of a lip that's nude and it does nothing for your lips. Like sometimes you need that matte to kind of create that shape. And these are matte on the matte side, but they're not drying. They're not heavy. They're lovely. And not to mention the component. I love the component, you guys. The gold and the white, like, beautiful. I love it. Anyway, the last one is Blood, which is another red, right here. Love it as well. So if you guys are looking for like my must-haves for Christian Audette, it's definitely my bundle, but if these aren't speaking to you, maybe these will. So if you guys are interested in picking up my collection, definitely check the description box for all the information below. You will get 3 beautiful, high-performing, stunningly formulated, awesome, universally flattering, easy to wear, tons of things you can do with it, lipsticks for $87. And again, information down below. I have a coupon code for you guys. Definitely use it at checkout. And thank you so much, Christian Audette, for believing in me and giving this opportunity to me. I feel literally on top of the world. And I just want to thank every single one of you who, again, have been following me for a long time, who've reached out to me, who have shared my videos, who have supported me in any shape, way, or form. It truly means the world. Like, there's no words for it. I have been through so many changes on YouTube, and the fact that people still keep watching me no matter what I'm going through is so exciting and inspiring. And I'm so excited for this, and I can't wait to see all the things that are coming in the future. Please tag me in photos when you get your lipsticks and share with me what your favorite shades are, all the different ways and looks that you wear them with. I would love to see it. And I guess with that, I'm going to wrap this video up. I feel like I could sit here and talk to you guys about this forever because I'm so excited, but I do have another video to film. Like I said, 2 videos are going live today. The next video I'm going to film is going to be called How to Live Glamorous Every Day. And I think you guys will really enjoy it. So make sure you check the down bar. The information for that is down below. And I guess I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.